Enter the HR module through the drop-down and click on View All Employees in the Quick Links. Find the employee that needs to have multiple employment set up. Once in the employee summary page, select multiple employment from the Employee HR Info drop-down. This area shows any multiple employments which have already set up for the employee. To create a new one, select Create New Job. First select the location, division and job title for the multiple employment from the drop-downs. Employees can work between sites if necessary. Their hours will be charged to that site. Leave Auto Add to Rota ticked, and this will automatically add them to the rota for the site or division of the multiple employment. The start date will default to today. If on loan permanently, leave the end date empty, which will leave them on the rota. If it is a temporary loan, select the end date by using the calendar icon, which will only allow them to appear on the rota for that time period. Complete the hourly or shift rate for the member of staff, which will filter through to their payroll. Specific days or specific shifts can be set up under the default shift section, which will then filter through to the rota. Once the form is filled out, click on Save to complete the setup of the multiple employment. Each multiple employment setup will appear in the list for that individual employee. As many as required can be set up. They will show as current under the status. If the employee is no longer required to do this multiple employment, then click on it and put in an end date. Once that end date has passed, the status will automatically change to pass, and that employee will no longer be on that rota.